In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tax settings in QuickBooks Online. First, let's begin by heading over to QuickBooks Online. If you don't have an account set up yet, you'll need to sign up. It's always best to have your account ready and verified before proceeding with any configurations. If you already have an account, simply go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Once you've signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your account details. Make sure you have those handy as it streamlines the process. After entering your details, click on the Continue button, which will further guide you through the login process. You'll then see an option to enter your password. After typing in your password, click on Continue again. Now, you will need to choose the appropriate company file. QuickBooks allows multiple companies to be managed under a single account, so it's crucial to select the right one to avoid any potential processing errors. When you have the right company file highlighted, direct yourself to the QuickBooks dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Sales Tax section. Clicking on it will take you to where you can configure your sales tax settings. Sales tax is a vital feature to manage accurately, ensuring your business stays in compliance with tax regulations. Next, click on Sales Tax Settings. This area allows you to customize your tax settings according to your business requirements. You'll find an option to add agency. This is where you input details for the relevant tax agency that applies to your business. It's key to type in a highlight here, which helps in identifying the agency quickly in your records. Once you've inputted the required information, you will need to confirm the details by clicking on Agency. This step ensures you're connecting the correct agency to your sales tax management system. Be sure that all the details are accurate to prevent any issues down the line. Proceed by setting up your filing frequency. This refers to how often you're required to file sales tax returns. Depending on your jurisdiction and business size, this can vary from monthly to annually, so check the regulations that apply to you. After selecting the filing frequency, you'll set the start date. This determines the period from which QuickBooks will begin tracking sales tax for your company. Following this, choose your reporting method, either cash or accrual, based on your business's accounting practices. Lastly, ensure that all your settings are correct and then click on Save. This step is crucial to apply your changes effectively within QuickBooks, allowing you to manage your sales tax seamlessly in the future. And that's it. You've successfully set up your tax settings in QuickBooks Online. With these configurations in place, you can focus more on growing your business while ensuring all tax-related aspects are handled correctly.